So here's our test fender that I'm going to use for today. So this one was the one that I sprayed No Con Blue. So right now it's still wet, but you can still see the color very well. And this is a beautiful blue. I like this one myself. The only thing I would probably add is a little bit of flake, a little bit of sparkle to it. But we'll continue working with more colors. What I'm going to do is, check this out. So I went ahead and brought a few more cans of paint. So one of them was the apple red, so that we can try our experiment. Today we're going to spray the same RUSTOLEUM 2X paint and primer. This is the apple red and satin finish. So we're going to spray this as our base, and then after that I'm going to use some ghost gold, and then we'll kind of compare them both. But for now, let me go ahead and mix some of this and wipe this clean. So a pan, just gut it out. So I'm going to take off the nozzle again, just like we did in the last few videos. I'm going to put the pen right here, and then I'm just going to squeeze. I already shook the can, so again the color is apple red. So I'm going to add about 6 ounces in here. Okay, so that's 6 ounces, and so that is the propellant that is inside the spray can. So it's not simply air, it's like gas or something. So it is bubbling. Okay, so here's the fender. It's already sanded, already cleaned. I went ahead and removed the other fender so that no overspray will land on it. Bacon will move out of the way right now. So we're ready to spray. I have the Spectrum. This is the HTE 1.3. So RUSTOLEUM paint is kind of like from the spray can, so it's already thin. No need to reduce. So on the pressure, we're using something light. I think lately I've been using 18 psi, and that sprays the RUSTOLEUM pretty well. 18 psi. Okay, so on this small section right here, which I didn't prepare, I'm going to use the RUSTOLEUM. It's a paint and primer, and the color is stone gray. So it's a very light gray, kind of like primer. It's almost like smoke gray as well, but this is in satin. So I know some of you guys have asked me in grays, silvers, and charcoals, which I have other types of grays and other pearls and pigments for those. But for this test, we're going to see what the ghost gold does over this light gray. And this is pretty much a apple red satin finish by RUSTOLEUM, but sprayed through a spray can. I mean through a spray gun. Just to avoid some of the tiger striping, which, you know, This is a test fender and it's a little warpy and whatever, has a few dents, but we're only looking at the color. So now we have a smooth finish, and like I said, down here I sprayed that light gray, stone gray. Just waiting for it to dry, and then we'll continue with the clear coat and the pigments. So let me show you. So here's the clear coat that I'm using, the Platinum Clear, and you can find this on eBay. I'll leave the link in the description. But this one mixes on a 4 parts clear coat, 1 part activator, and you can choose the speed based off of temperature. But so it mixes 4 to 1. I'm only going to mix a small batch, 4 ounces of clear to 1 ounce of activator. So that gives me 5 ounces. And for those 5 ounces, I'm going to add just about 1 gram of this Ghost Gold, same as we did with the Kin Gold over the red on the last video. We'll start off with 1 gram. We'll see how it does. If it needs more, we'll come back, mix it a little bit more, and we'll spray a few more coats. But you guys can find these at eyecandypigments.com. Check out the pinned comment down below. And so yeah, you guys can now save 15% on any pigments, pearls, anything from the Eye Candy Pigments. Just use code GT's Performance. Okay, so now I have 5 ounces of clear coat with hardener. Now I'm going to use the Ghost Gold, and I'm going to use the small spoon and add just 1. Okay, so here's the fender. So I think just like the last one, from the apple red it turned slightly orange, tangerine orange maybe, but that's from the gold. But the only difference is from this gold and the last gold, the last one had, the Kin Gold had more of a metallic to it. It also needed 1 more coat of clear, but it had more metallic to it, more sparkle. And this one, like the micron size, is just smaller. But let's go ahead and take this fender out into the sun, see how it looks, and we'll take a look at the stone gray with the Ghost Gold as well. Okay, so I think you guys are going to be pretty surprised. Check this out. Okay, so here's the one we just did. So apple red base, and then with the Ghost Gold. But actually, look at that, the sparkle. It actually does have sparkle to it, and it looks pretty nice. It does look like it changes into a tangerine color, but you can see the red in certain angles. So if we compare that one, let's take a good look. So if we compare that one to the Kin Gold, and it's the same amount. So this is the Kin Gold over apple red, and then this is the Ghost Gold over apple red. They look about the same. This one is more brilliant, more sparkle. This one kind of metallic, just orange, you know. As far as the stone gray right here, so again, it was just 1 gram to those 5 ounces, but we can see a little, just a subtle hint of gold right here. We'll try experimenting more with the gray and some ghost pearls. Okay guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you guys want to see more. Leave your suggestions, any other colors with different kind of colored pearls. Leave your suggestions down in the comments, and check out the pinned comment, which is the link to the Eye Candy Pigments website. And just be sure to check out all the pearls that they have. You might find something you like. And just remember, use a code GT's Performance. You'll save yourself 15% on your order. And at the same time, it helps out the channel so that I can continue getting more pearls and experimenting for you guys. You might find something you like just by seeing something in the channel. So subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for more, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace out.